Population Dynamics by Garrett Glenn and Jasmine Roma. Population dynamics. Population dynamics is the way that the number of organisms in a species in certain habitats regularly changes. This chart represents a good source of population dynamics. Population controls. Population controls is a way that nature makes sure only the fittest of a species survives, whether it's because there is enough food or too many predators. To survive is to keep on living, and a predator is an animal that eats other animals. These bears are a good example of population control because they eat other animals. Population growth. Populations will grow very fast if all conditions are right. They can even grow without limit if they don't run out of food and have no predators. A condition is a thing that is a requirement for something to happen. A population is a group of animals. These rabbits are a good example of population growth because they reproduce very, very fastly. Resources. A population of a species will continue to grow until it's run out of resources. This is known as a habitat's carrying capacity. If a species reaches the habitat's carrying capacity, the population can't grow anymore. Habitat. A habitat is a place in nature that a certain species lives, and a species is just a type of animal. This is an example of nature and its natural resources. Nature's limits. There are many ways that nature limits a species' growth. One way is that the population gets too big and the habitats can't hold it anymore. The other is that things like humans or diseases spread through and affect all animals in a population. These turkeys are a good example of nature's limits because they are overpopulating and cannot grow anymore. Population curves. The population will curve if their animals in the population begin to die off. This graph shows how this happens. Look at how it rises and falls. Survivorship. Survivorship is the way that people study at what age a certain group of animals begin to die. There are three types of survivorship. The types of survivorship. There are different types of survivorship. One where organisms die very old, one where they die middle-aged, and one where they die very young. This graph represents that. The end.